Hi guys, this is Sunil Gupta and you are learning the complete ethical hacking course. We are we are proceeding to our next chapter, which is MITM part 3. So let's proceed. What is it? ARP, Address Resolution Protocol. What is ARP spoofing? And what is ARP basically? So I will tell you. When you give ARP an IP address, it gives you the MAC address of that particular machine. So ARP spoofing is a type of attack in which a malicious actor sends falsified ARP messages over a local area network. This results in the linking of an MAC address with the IP address of a legitimate computer or server on the network. Once the attacker MAC address is connected to the IP address, the attacker will begin receiving any data that is intended for the IP address. ARP spoofing attacks, address resolution protocol spoofing attacks. The effects of ARP spoofing attacks can have serious implications for enterprises. In their most basic application, ARP spoofing attacks are used to steal sensitive information. Beyond this, ARP spoofing attacks are often used to facilitate other attacks such as DOS attack, session hijacking attack, and MITM, man in the middle attack. What is the procedure of ARP spoofing? First, the attacker opens an ARP spoofing tool and sets the tool's IP address to match the IP subnet of the target. Now the attacker chooses its target and begins sending ARP packets across the LAN that contains the attacker's MAC address and sends IP address. As other hosts on the LAN cache the spoof IP packets data that those hosts send to the victim. How to detect that somebody is doing ARP spoofing detection? The following methods are recommended, like packet filtering should be enabled. I already told you that to prevent from ARP spoofing, you have to enable ARP dynamic ARP inspection at switch. Avoid trust relationships, like organizations should develop protocols that rely on trust relationships as little as possible. Use ARP spoofing detection software. There are many programs available that help organizations detect ARP spoofing attacks. Use cryptographic network protocols, transport layer security, secure shell, HTTP, HTTPS, and some others communications protocol. ARP spoofing attack prevention. The tool to detect spoofing in your network, you can use XR tool to detect there is a problem in your network or somebody is doing spoofing in your network. So this is all about ARP spoofing. Next video we will learn more concept of MITM.